viewers, I've had a pretty busy week this week. As you can see, I got the charger for this drill fixed up. There you go, our battery's actually come up quite well. Let it sit flat and it stayed flat for a while, so finally gave it a good resetting. Oh well, have another drill to do teardowns with. That one here, this one here, if it goes flat on me. Comes a light. Let's have a spare one now. Anyway, I might do some experiments with this check multimeter lead. Hook this up to the NST, see how much voltage you can withstand. Buggered, I did some, it's only a cheap Dick Smith brand multimeter lead. Just went in at Dick Smith recently and they don't even sell things like this anymore. Little alligator clips, they used to have heaps of little things like that, sockets, little raw warp plugs. I don't even sell those anymore. It's just all stupid crap out of China like iPhones and tablets and their own brand TVs. Pretty much garbage you find at the tip, but worse. So I'm not going to shop there ever again. If you ever want decent electronic parts, I'm going to go on eBay. Bugger it. So yeah, this is only a cheap Dick Smith brand of the end of it, the tip of the probe snapped off, so I might as well finish it off. Let's hook it up to the NST, see how much voltage it withstands. Alright, let's give this thing a test, see how much it can withstand. I don't think it'll withstand much, so it's only a crappy lead. Let's plug this in. Power on. Oh. No. Bit of corona, it's at 10 kV, so it's not doing too bad. Not rated for that, of course, but it's always good to do these sorts of tests. Alright, let's try the 12 kV NST. Turn it off, unplug safety first. Let's try the 12 kV one. Let's see how this one here reacts. Cords are all tangled up pretty. Plug that in there. Alright, power on. Oh, it's all burnt. There we go, I burnt to the insulation just like that. Oops. Shit. Gotta get my head back out and doing this. There you go, I buggered it. The carbon track going through it, so it's finished. Alright, there you go. Power off. It smells kind of weird. Unplug safety first. Take that off and have a closer look at this thing. And you can see the conductive path it made. But it took the voltage a bit better than I thought, so I might put this on the high current MOT, see how much current it can take. Just a small singe. Yeah, gotta use a heat brick when doing those sorts of experiments. Keep it going like that, I'm bloody gonna end up making this thing look like photonic induction's carpet. See how this goes. High current MOT is on. Let's put some amps to this thing. I'm gonna need some vice grips for this one. The vice grips to make it easier, or I could use these. Let's see if these will work. Alright, gotta get the cords untangled again. Alright. They go on there. Bad connection again as per usual. Yeah, well, I'm only using it as a little clamp anyway. Use one end as a little clamp here. It's very hard to bloody get a good connection on these old jumper leads. Once they start to rust, you never get a good connection on those clips. Getting a bit soft and squishy. Insulation's holding up quite well. There we go, it's just starting to burn now. And not a good enough connection in this to do any real to burn this out with this lead like this. Here we go, that's the end of it. Gee, there's not much bloody wire in there. There we go. Cheap, nasty, generic Dick Smith electronic multimeter lead gets what it deserves. If I can get it in the frame of the camera here. Bit of an awkward spot. The probe's not getting very hot, but the wire is, 'cause it's the weakest part. I should have an old rag somewhere. Phew, sneaky stuff. So use this rag, should be able to get this insulation off. Look at that. There it all is. That's a stinky smoky part gotten off. You see it's a bit made out of the right stuff, doesn't combust so easily. Burn the rest off the wire here. There you go. That's one finished off cheap generic multimeter lead. Grab the end of it here. There we are. One cheap finished off multimeter lead. Just turn that off, unplug safety first. There we go. Yeah, very generic stuff. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.